Jolie Johnny's the name, Pokemon's the game. Hey Jolie, hope you're all doing great. If you're new to the channel, consider watching a few minutes. Subscribe, leave a like, or leave a nasty comment. Whatever you want to do. So today, Jolie Johnny, be a little more creative. I'm sorry guys, but I love these things. And I grabbed two. So this time, I'm going to try and keep this on screen for you so you can see. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall down. You guys seem to like the last video, so let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Gotta do it like this. All right, let's see. All right. First pack. Fusion Strike. Second pack. Evolving Skies. Silver Tempest. Lost Origin. Astral Radiance. And we got a Pikachu coin. Yeah, that's a pretty awesome box, you ask me. That's a hell of a lineup. We'll save the other one, so let's go with Fusion, Silver Tempest, Astral, Lost Origin, Evolving Skies. Got many chances for alternate arts. Let's see what we can do here. Snom, Dreepy, Makuhita, Rookidee, Krogunk, Luxray, Code. That Lugia would be awesome. Still a lot of pulls I have not gotten or even tried to get out of these sets because I really wasn't ripping too much when they all came out. Of course, I'm always behind. What else is new? Here we go. I got this angle a little more zoomed in so I have more room, because usually I don't have very much room to work with. So I got the pops further back. Well, let's see here. But yeah, I hope everyone's doing great. Fungus, Zygarde, and Ranunculus. However you pronounce that. All right, Astral Radiance. Advertises a chance to get a Neo Genesis pack. Wouldn't that be amazing? Energy, DeWatt, Yanmega, Celine, Ponyta, Rowlet, Bronzor, excuse me as I cleared my throat there, Hoot, Regirock, Hussein, Sneasel, alright. Lost Origin, Giratina time. Probably Haunts would be very jealous if we pull that card. I'd probably run and sell it. just being honest. Biggest thing would be to pull a Rayquaza or a Moonbreon would be my goal in one of these boxes. Metatite, Squovit, Radiant Sneasler. Alright, cool. And a Pyroar Hollow. Let's hope this is the one. It'll change our lives. Change our life, yeah. This guy's crazy. Alright, there's the code. I think a Pokemon card's gonna change his life. You never know. You never know. Even though this pack is pretty shot. Scroll the Fanged Dragon, Swoobat, Lombre, Dwebble, Carvana, Flabébé, Slackoth, Seedot, Wobbuffet Flapple. Okay, everyone. Second box. Let's see. This one, actually, I just asked the guy. I don't have access to grab them, so it's usually behind the counter. I just asked the guy, grab me 2. You know, just hoping for the best. Let's see here. Astral Radiance. Lost Origin. Silver Tempest. Evolving Skies. Fusion Strike. Same thing. Shaman, I think. If I'm wrong, please correct me. All right, Fusion Strike. Got a chance for an Altar. Got a chance for an Altar in all of them. That would be awesome. There's the code. I strongly suggest buying these, but hey, you know, as of right now, everybody's like, nah, I ain't buying this. The codes are rough, but I mean, the pulls. It's a chance you take. It's a mystery box. Got a feeling something's in this. Silver Tempest. Chance for that Lugia. I'll show the code at the end. Fennekin. Spinarak. Oh boy, all these cards are stuck together. Spinarak. Beldum. Krogunk. Solosis. Brandon. Can we get the Lugia? Regieleki VMAX. Alright. That's a nice pull. Energy, Altaria, Fletchinder, Dracoloak, code. Alright, Astral Radiance. I just want to pull an Altar, everyone. Alternate are Heracross, Mantine, Quillfish, Basculin, Poochyena, Dartrix, Lucario V. Oh, and the pulls are coming now. Better box so far. All right, right here. Come on. Giratina, and I'll take a Rayquaza. If it's a Moonbreon, obviously I'm going to go out of my mind. Because my goal is, which probably not going to happen, but it's to pull each of those cards. Then when I go to a card show, I could just walk up to someone and say, hey, I have this. It's mint. Here's a couple $100. And let me get that 10. And that's not going to happen today for Giratina. Look. Evolving Sky, I pretty much just said that it's not happening. But yep, it's not happening. There's the code. Every time I think it's going to happen, I'm like, yeah, it's not happening. Dream Ball, it would be great. So I've been having this feeling, I'm like, Johnny, go to Walmart and get a box. Because your Moonbreon's in it. I'm like, okay. Here we go. Oh, yes! Sylveon VMAX, let's go! All right, hey. Jesus. Oh, I had the feeling. Everyone. There it is. It's not the Moonbreon, but hey. Let's go. That's a gorgeous card. And yes. Thank you. Umbreon, where are you? Yes. Joe Elite, run to your Walmarts. Run. Go get you an alternate art you've been longing for. Yes. Not sure where that's at. I think it's 100, sitting around $100. I think. Of course, I'll check after the video, and I'll probably be wrong, but... Alright, Joe Elite. Joe Johnny's the name, Pokemon's the game. Thank you for watching. Again, if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. I post every Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern. Have a great one.